Hello. Hello. Hey, Grandpa.
We're in Byron! And this little one wants to say hello! 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 As you can see, that sunset is incredible.
We got pink, we got purple,
Yeah.
we got blue, we got light blue, we got dark blue, we got orange, we got, I can see some green.
What's been going on? We've been busy.
We've been quite busy, yeah.
So we have a special visitor, don't we? Hello. What are you looking for? Oh, Garrett, we have had beautiful events. Beautiful events.
Let's say that, yes, they're all different, but very, very nice.
So we had our pop-up relaxation haven in Mullumbimby. We had children come in, we had adults, we had mums, dads, grannies. The connections we've made, and it's just made us realise that we've got somewhere that just feels right at the moment. We've decided we're going to stick around the Byron area a little more. As you can see, this mad creature has completely got the bug, whatever is in the air around these parts. And from us, toodles. We're going to have some time in this beautiful sunset as a family.
Over and out, people.
And the phone is going down.